Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix banner images on mobile in Squarespace. If you've noticed your banner images looking off or poorly cropped on mobile devices, this tutorial will help you adjust them so they display perfectly across all screen sizes. First, open your browser and head to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your Squarespace account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your dashboard where you can see all your websites and manage your content. Once you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to fix the banner images on mobile. This opens up the specific site you'll be working on, giving you access to all its customization options. After that, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click Edit Site. A button labeled Edit will appear. Go ahead and click it. This takes you into the site editor where you can make all the visual and layout changes you need. Now, still in the upper right corner, click on the mobile view icon. This is crucial because it switches your view from desktop to mobile, allowing you to see exactly how your site appears on smaller screens. This way, you can make adjustments that are specific to mobile devices without affecting the desktop version. Once you're in mobile view, scroll through your site and find the section that has the banner image you want to fix. Click on that section, then click Edit Section. This opens up the editing panel for that specific area, giving you control over how the banner displays. Next, navigate to the Background tab within the Editing panel. This is where all the magic happens for adjusting your image. You'll notice a circular focus point on your banner image. This circle indicates where Squarespace will focus on when displaying the image, especially as the screen size changes. Feel free to drag this circle around and explore different positions because your image will shift and adjust depending on where the circle is placed. This is particularly helpful for ensuring that the most important part of your image stays visible on mobile screens. Below that, you'll see an option called Image Effect. This allows you to add visual effects to your banner image, such as blurs or overlays, depending on the style you're going for. Right next to it, there's a background width setting, which lets you adjust how much of the image is shown or stretched across the mobile screen. Play around with this to find the best fit for your layout. And lastly, you'll find the Overlay Opacity slider. This tool adjusts the transparency of any overlay that sits over your image, which can help with text readability or simply enhance the overall aesthetic of your banner. Once you're satisfied with all your adjustments, click Save to lock in your changes. Your banner image should now display beautifully on mobile devices with the focus exactly where you want it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.